Hi there, it's me, it's Chris. How are you doing? Okay, so reasons this is useful. Okay, now I was explaining to you in a previous video about how I could use ChatGPT and it would allow me to, examine material nodes in a textual way and start generating stuff based on it. And you could start training it up using that. And someone will soon, trust me on this. Meanwhile though, let's talk about some other uses for this. Okay, now if you're an indie or a small developer or even a freelancer, okay, then this is really, really useful stuff. Even 3.5, I use 4 a lot, but 3.5's fast, useful, pretty darn concise. Now, let's make a scenario here. You need to put a lot of information into your ChatGPT, okay? Not so much that it's literally bolting at the seams and forgetting stuff, because it'll only store about 2,000 useful tokens, but enough that it understands a little bit so that you can kind of get it to do stuff, right? So, in this case, hi, my name is Sam Samson. I am a 26-year-old guitarist and I like to play on the internet, either pre-recorded or live streams where I jam to 1940s war records. Nice, okay. I'm already pretty up on that. I would like you to handle my social media, please. What information do you need to know, if any, to get started? Please ask me. Okay, yeah. So firstly, I am using Twitch, and also let's go for something really bizarre like an old an old GeoCities website that I directly host the ABI files on. Second, I would like more fans, especially ones that love 1940s war records. Thirdly, themes such as No to Hitler and love of picket fences and bluegrass music. Fourth, I plan to post daily with 2 weekly broadcasts of my music. Lastly, I have no preferences. There we go, so everything here. Great. Okay, it's pleased that I'm using GeoCities. Consider using hashtags. Social media is all about building relationships. That's great. My Twitter handle is Sam Terrible Music. My Facebook is fb.com/awful sounds, and Instagram is Please Stop Singing Sam. Can you please write me some awesome social media posts so that I can post them up today, letting people know who I am and what I do. Here we go. Hail you cool cats and kittens. I'm Sam, a 26-year-old guitarist who loves jamming to 1940s war records. Follow me for daily music clips, live streams, and plenty of terrible puns. Wow, he doesn't even realise that, I was... Okay, are you tired of the same old music? You'll love my awful... Oh, it's picked up on it. Follow my page for live streams, awful sounds. Instagram, picket fences and bluegrass music may be my thing, but my guitar skills are the star of the show. Excellent, excellent. Fantastic. Can you also give me posts for tomorrow when I will be doing a, let me see, sweet rendition of White Cliffs of Dover with added face melting solos. Beautiful, you see, there we go. Also, if I wanted to post on my own blog, I have a blog. Can you please write me a post about this for my blog as well? In particular, focus on how awesome the combination of shredding, face melting solos and classic 1940s White Cliffs of Dover go so well together. Here we go, and you even get a blog post. Oh yeah, as a guitarist who loves the classics, I know some people might think shredding solos and 40s music don't mix, but I'm here to prove them wrong. In fact, I believe the combination of 40s music and face-melting guitar solos is the perfect pairing. White Cliffs of Dover is a classic 1940s tune that evokes a sense of nostalgia and patriotism, but with my guitar skills I plan to take it to the next level by adding some electrifying solos. I hope to bring a new dimension to this beloved song and show that even the classics can be taken to new heights. God damn it, I would watch this. That's depressing. But perhaps you now see it. This is what I'm talking about. This is how it helps you. Okay, so wow, the show went down a storm. I got so many new followers and views. Can you write me some thank you posts, please, and give a shout out to @POTUS, who let me see, what do they call it again? Raided my Twitch stream. There we go. So good old POTUS. There you see. Brilliant. Yeah. Oh, look at that. See? What more could we want? Okay, so hopefully you get an idea. This is how it saves you time, effort, energy. Okay, you still have to post this shit up, but you don't actually have to think about it. Ooh, I said the S word. You can still post this stuff up, but you don't really have to think about it, if you know what I mean. Okay, so ta-ta for now.